This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Brandy Copeland. Fantastic home in the desirable 55+ community, the James Street Estates with a light and airy open floor plan and vaulted ceilings. Nicely updated kitchen with new cabinetry and Corian countertops. The primary bedroom has an ensuite with a tub/shower combo, and there are 2 more guest rooms with another full bathroom. Great oversized 2-car garage features a workshop area with a 220 power plug-in, plus lots of driveway parking and a circle drive. Enjoy outdoor living with durable synthetic decking and covered private space. This park offers a newly remodeled clubhouse and dog park. It is all about location, and this home is close to hospitals, amenities, public transit, and more. For more information, review the details below.